Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
Start by verifying your dataset. You need headers and contiguous columns so Excel links ranges correctly. Next, select the exact cells you want plotted or click any cell in a structured table. Then go to Insert and pick a chart type that matches your goal. Trends need a line, comparisons suit columns. Once done, Excel draws the chart from those ranges. This establishes the live link so future updates flow into the visual automatically. Now refine what's plotted by opening Chart Design and choosing Select Data. This lets you add, remove, or reorder series to control what each line or bar represents. When you edit a series, update the name, X values, and Y values so labels and axes align with the correct ranges. If categories appear swapped, use Switch Row/Column. Also consider changing the chart type for clarity. These adjustments ensure the visual communication. Finish by formatting axes, grid lines, legend, and data labels so the message is clear. Change number formats, axis bounds, or add trend lines if useful. To keep updates automatic, convert your range to a table or use dynamic named ranges so new rows update the chart. If data doesn't appear after changes, first confirm the select data ranges include the new cells and that cells aren't text formatted. If problems persist, inspect hidden rows or filters, then refresh the workbook.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.